It will be one of the largest environmental rescue operations yet, but we created this mess. Ocean Crisis is a cooperative family game about teamwork. You and your team must clean up trash, activate stations, and help solve one of the most devastating and disgusting environmental disasters on Earth. Players become members of the Ocean Defense Team, which helps protect against pollution. Choose to clean up garbage with dice rolls before it enters the ocean, or choose to send your people to develop eco-skills that enhance your future actions. Throughout the game, players can also complete research, which convinces the city government to regulate and reduce garbage. When an emergency occurs, ask for cleanup mobilization to save the day. The whole community pitches in to clean the river. As you face the massive amount of garbage, your team will also deal with numerous tasks of rescuing ocean animals. Missions and scenarios create a new experience for the game with unique mechanics and strategies waiting to challenge you. Ocean Crisis is not just about winning the game. It's also about the decisions you make throughout your journey. Back us now and begin your own environmental revolution in Ocean Crisis.